how to do the longtail cast on. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you the longtail cast on method. Before you can start knitting, you always need to cast on stitches. So let's show you how to do that step by step. The ball should be on your left and a sizable tail on your right. From here, wrap the yarn around your pinky finger 2 times, once, twice, and bring the yarn around the back of your hand and wrap it around your thumb once. Now secure the tail between your ring and pinky finger. Pick up 1 needle or 2 for a stretchier cast on and insert it into the loop around your thumb from below. Now grab the yarn towards your index finger from above. Pull it through, let loose of the loop and tighten up. First stitch from here. Pull the needle towards you. Insert the loop around your thumb from below. Grab the yarn from above. Pull through, let loose of the loop and tighten up. Again, pull the needle towards you to create another loop. Insert from below, grab from above, let loose and tighten up. It's always the same motion. Pull the needle towards you, insert from below, grab from above, let loose, tighten up. And once you get the hang of this, you can of course go much faster. Or I can do it in slow motion for you once. And that's everything you need to know about the longtail cast on.